Poa sana. I've been told to come here from my boss in the office.
Okay.
Yes.
You have to speak to the DPP?
Nimsalimia, I don't know whether he will talk to me.
Okay.
Let him address over the Matiang'i issue, because there is a wrong perception outside that he has approved charges against Matiang'i.
He'll advise.
Kahawa.
Inside the
Yesterday night, we were holed up at Karen in the residence of the former CS for Interior with the allegations that he wanted to be arrested. We left there very early in the morning, around 5 in the morning, went to the office, made an application. We were at Milimani Court at exactly 8:30 in the morning. We did file a matter for anticipatory of bail. The matter is pending directions before the High Court. We got wind again that the government has rushed to Kahawa Law Courts to file a miscellaneous application to seek to detain the CS for 60 days. So we rushed here, the legal team here. We have confirmed that either the government has backed off from filing that application, or if it has been filed, it has been hidden, and the government has confirmed that there is no such application that has been filed. So we as the defense team, we are still prepared, as we said, to deal with this matter in a lawful manner. But if they are filing out that miscellaneous to detain the CS for 60 days, we will fight it within the legal means. So for now, I can conclusively say that we have been told that there is no such miscellaneous application, or if the intention was there, that intention to file it has been withdrawn.
Omari has already presented information is that what is happening, the former CS Interior, Dr. Matiang'i, is being sought for. Last night we kept vigil at his place till this morning. We are here to just confirm, or we came to represent the CS if there was to be any filing of any miscellaneous application, which we were told initially that they had moved the court and they are seeking for 60 days detention so that they can do their investigations. Now, we have met the director of public prosecutions himself, has confirmed to us that there is nothing. Actually, what they are having is some internal affairs with the DPP and some multi-agencies, and therefore in the Kahawa Law Courts there's nothing that has been filed here in anticipation that the CS is going to be processed. So that is what we want to tell the world, that what is only pending before a court of law is that miscellaneous application that we filed in the High Court seeking for anticipatory bail, as we even present the CS to any other multi-agency for whichever investigations that those teams may want to get from him while he was serving the office. Basically, if you look at the history of the CS Matiang'i, he executed the office, the responsibility and the calling of his office in a meticulous manner. He was very, very instrumental in the just ended government of His Excellency the Honorable Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, and that is why he was called as a super minister. Now, what is happening now is that they are doing what we can call as a witch hunt, because we do not know who is presenting whatever allegations that they are presenting with the police or with the EACC or any other multi-agency team that is involved in marshalling the officers who are at the home of the CS last night. So it is a game of musical chairs where we do not know, because no agency has come up front to say that indeed they are the ones who are looking for the CS, and they are the ones who want him to record a statement in terms of what they are investigating about. So this is what I can say, witch hunt. It is an arbitrary way of doing things, and it is a wake-up call to even the sitting CSs, that they should do things while knowing that the power is transient. But that power, when it's transient, it does not mean that you become, whenever you have left the office, someone can come and arbitrarily take decisions which harm the execution and calling of the office.
We want to thank, one, the Director of Public Prosecution, one, Mr. Nurdin Haji, who, when we came here at Kahawa Law Courts, he was holding the Attorney General, a meeting with the Attorney General of Somalia, with all his team here. He came out, he addressed us, he assured us that there is no criminal charges that have been presented to him in regard to, one, the CS Matiang'i. Such is a quality of a public servant who understands how sensitive this matter has become to the whole world. Therefore, I wish to assure everybody and those ones who are worried that the Director of Public Prosecution, one, Mr. Nurdin Haji, has confirmed to us that there is no miscellaneous application and there is no criminal file that has been presented to his office in regard to, one, CS Matiang'i.